Today we are going to see that how to fetch data from NSE website, that is National Stock Exchange. From that website from to the Excel sheet, that is using Microsoft Excel we can fetch the data from NSE website to MS Office. So first initially we need to use google.com. After that we can go for we can search for NSE website. After that using NSE website, using inspection in web page, we can record the network and copying the header files. After that in Excel we will paste the all header files and we will get their data. So we are going to see basic fetching of data from NSE website to Excel. First initially we can open google.com. In that we can search for NSE India. In that you can see that lot of options will be there, and market flow rates. You can go for market data. In that menu, equity and SME market. You can choose different types of Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty mid cap 50, Nifty mid cap 100, like that. According to that, each market indices which will provide data for you. So according to that, first we will select Nifty 50. You can see the CSV, that is comma separated value files also we can be downloaded. It can be viewed in Excel, but it cannot be updated in real time. So if we want in real time, so we will choose we will fetch the data from Excel directly without use of every time downloading from NSE website. It will be automatically real time, it will be updated. For that, if you are in this current page, use right click, there will be option called inspect, or you can press Ctrl Shift I, a shortcut button to open this menu. After that you can go for network option. Here you can see visible. Using that network, first initially you need to record the activity. For that you can select Ctrl R to record. It will be fetch the data from the website and it will be automatically loaded in this network column. After that, if you want to choose Nifty, while if we are searching for Nifty 50, so we are choosing that Nifty. From this we need to select XHR type file. So we get this file. So we want to select this file. From this file we need to copy 4 headers, that is URL, language, encoding, and cookies. Initially you can open a notepad. In that notepad you can select URL for the NSE India website. After that, leave some space in notepad. Next you can go to response header. In that response header, you can see accept encoding, accept language. You can copy both also. Next you need to copy cookies. Next you need to copy user agent. Here it is there. After selecting this, go for cookies. in response header the cookies will be available. So copy the cookies and paste in notepad, and simultaneously you can open Excel. So we have done first 4 activities. We have done 4 activities. Next we will using the Excel we will get the data. First go to data tab, from that web option use advanced, paste the URL from the notepad which we have previously copied. Next in HTTP request header you can choose different pasting the encoding, accept encoding. In that you can mention gzip. Next add header, you can choose add language, copy that language. Next add header, copy that user agent. Add header, add cookies. After adding cookies you can click for OK. It will be fetching the website. From a table is generated for record tools. It will display all 50 data are recorded. So according to real time it will be automatically updated. You can rename the name of this file as a nifty 50. For viewing the data in this nifty 50 you can double click the data. You can see 51 stocks will be available, that is 50 stocks, and the header file also will be mentioned. So it is mentioned as a 51 rows displaying. If you want to see the data you can convert to table. You can use this option, it will be converted. Click OK. Here you can use a column. There will be a right left side a small icon will be there. Clicking this icon it will open all data of NSE stocks. Click OK. If you want to select particular filter you can use. First initially click OK. You can see the data available under each file. It will be automatically get from the NSE websites in real time. So you can delete whatever rows, unwanted rows you can delete. After that finally click close and load. It will be automatically reflecting in Excel sheet as a normal. Real timely it will be automatically updated. So for getting the data, if you click refresh button it will be automatically updating. For if you want to cross check the data entered in Excel and website, you can choose yes in paints. You can see the last traded price of Asian Paints is 2770. You can check in NSE website also. $27710.10 paise. So it is currently synced with NSE websites. So you can easily monitor your stocks price. We can use buy or sell option in this Excel worksheet itself. You can save the data of. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel for get future updates of stock market in Excel.